Hi guys, welcome back. So it's me, Lovelyn. So today I'm opening this big LOL Biggie Pets. So mommy's gonna help me open my Biggie Pets. Okay guys, it comes with glasses and all that. Oh my gosh! Guys, I got a donation. Look, mommy. Which color do you like, guys?
Oh.
Is this a color or is this color, guys? Let me know in the comments.
It's like a piggy bank.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You have a surprise. Oh! Open it. It has a... What do you call this? Blind bag surprise
Yeah,
inside
blind
there.
bag. Yeah, it's blind bag.
There's 1, 2,
Ooh. Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's more stuff inside there too.
Wait, I want to see. Whoa!
Okay, let's see. Let's take them out. Oh, there's other wine bag. What do you call it? Wine box?
Yeah, blind box.
Blind box. So there are 3 blind boxes. So that's 1, 2, 3. And she looks like a piggy bank because you can put money there. And then here is this screw to
Mommy,
use it.
can you take out all the tape on this one, on this one, this one, on this one? And I take out the tape on this one. Whoa, Mom, it's sand!
What?
It's sand.
What kind of sand?
Mommy, can you take out the tape of this one?
Is it like a treasure box?
Yeah, it looks like a treasure box. This is the Horizon one. Oh, I hear something. Let me see what's inside. Oh my gosh.
I think you're supposed to dig in there to find the treasure. Okay, so
How
we'll do that
do you dig
later.
it? Oh, mommy!
Oh.
Can I take the sand? Can I? Pooch Kitty.
Pooch Kitty.
Oh my god. Mommy, here's a kitty matches like this one!
One more. What's inside there? The sand has like gold glitters on it. Are those treasure?
I think. Oh, they're keychains. Oh, I better take that all the sand. Oh,
What is
it's a
this?
wishing bowl. It's the wishing bowl. Wait, is this the funny bowl?
There's one more in here. I feel it.
It's the funny bowl.
What? There's a secret message.
Oh.
You have to read it. It's a secret message.
Well, press fire and press puppy.
A what?
Well, just press fire and press puppy. Fire and puppy.
Oh, what does that mean? What do you call a dog in the sun? What do you call a dog in the sun?
Hot dog?
There you go. So she got this, what is that called?
Sand boxes?
The sand boxes with some surprise toys in there. And then some like collars, two collars, and or she call it necklace.
Wait.
And then there is a,
Oh, it fits on her, Mommy.
there's the puppy.
Like unboxing.